We have a simple block that has a fillet feature on this edge. This block was initially extruded from a simple rectangle. So what we do now? Let's see. Just go to sketch and edit it. We want to make this edge as a curve. Just draw an arc, 3-point arc, of radius 100 millimeter. Now exit from sketch. You can see a message that it cannot be rebuilt. Okay, exit from sketch. Anyway, you can see there is an error. And due to that, what is error? Error says that this sketch cannot be used for a feature because an endpoint is wrongly shared by multiple entities. And due to this error, our fillet feature has also been disappeared. So how we can rebuild or remove this error? This can be done by using replace entity. So in order to use replace entity tool, go again to sketch and from command bar write replace. Then load replace entity tool. Here you can see that select the entity, replace this entity. We want to replace this entity with this arc. So line 4 will be replaced with this arc 1. Okay, now exit from sketch. So you can see both extrude as well as fillet feature has been executed, and the shape of this feature has been changed. Overall, this part has been changed. So in this way, we learned today then how we can replace a sketch entity with other one. So please make a practice of this tool. Thank you.